In today's world, women are leading from the front in almost every arena, including direct selling industry. This industry plays a critical role in empowering women by offering an opportunity for financial independence. The direct selling business has contributed phenomenally towards self-employment generation in the country. The sector has also empowered women in a significant way right since its inception. On an average, about 2,500 women joined the industry on a daily basis in the year 2019-20. There were more than 38 lakh women in the year 2019-20 who were at the heart of this industry and have gone on to become successful entrepreneurs and a key source of business generation for the direct selling companies. Out of 12 crore 54 lakhs of total sales force, 74% are women and 26% men. The bottom line is, this is a business model where women excel. Why DXN is important for women? Number 1. Financially independent. Today's women really need to learn how to build their own wealth. DXN helps them to earn good income and support the family and to be financially independent. Number 2. No ceiling to their status. In DXN, women can excel and reach top status, whereas it can be a challenge in corporates. Number 3. No limits on income. Regardless of gender, in DXN, the size of the income stream you can generate by building your network is without limit. Number 4. Increased self-esteem. By building business in DXN, women are financially independent, and their self-esteem rises, and the relationships around them tend to improve, which leads to greater success of freedom. Number 5. Control of your time. Unlike job, in DXN you are in control of your time. DXN is something you can do part-time or full-time. It can be done from home, on the phone and computer, in the evenings, weekends, anytime, anywhere. These 5 reasons states why women so strongly need to learn how to build their own wealth through DXN. Congratulations for being a part of this massive global direct selling company, DXN. You are not the average woman. You are you. And DXN is for you.